Okay, here we are back again. We're going to try something new for dinner. Chrissy has already decided that tonight's menu, chili.
Okay.
We laid out all of the ingredients, and always do this beforehand. Always get everything ready that you need so that you're not panicking when it comes time to adding something else. So we've got a little mushrooms, some onions, a bunch of good looking green stuff, and this is the
Chilies.
That's the chilies. That's the beans. This is going to be delicious. That's some sauce. That's some meat. And there we go. So what's step one?
Okay, so what I usually do, I do a can of kidney beans. I do a can of black beans. This I'm going to try today is some chili. Some little chilies.
Yes.
They're mild.
Okay.
They give great flavor. Because we made
Beautiful.
tacos the other night and they came out delicious. So
Beautiful.
then I did a green pepper and an orange pepper.
Okay.
I did a little carrots for sweetness because you have to remember when you cook with tomato sauce, a lot of times it's very acidic. So that'll cut the acidity. And just a little bit I shredded. And then I used, got a lot of onions here. So put in whatever you want. You can't go wrong.
And what is the meat of choice for today?
Today we're going to be using turkey.
So we're making ground turkey chili. And let me tell you, it is delicious. We did tacos the other night with ground turkey, and they were the best I've ever tasted.
Yeah, turkey.
It's so easy. She has that new little masher thing that just makes the... Wow. that's
Everyone
just
should have one of these.
Amazing.
My son has one too.
Does he?
Yes, he does. Remember he was saying we should buy one? And we already have it?
Oh, that's my girl.
So pretty.
And how long is this? Just quick, simple little stir, and give them a few
You want
minutes.
to cook them down because you want all
Are you
the...
going to add any wine to that? No.
Any wine to this?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. You know, vegetables get thirsty too. There we go. We'll
You
be
wanna
back
cook
right
these all
after
down?
these
We'll
are
be
cooked
back in a
down.
few minutes.
So she's covered the vegetables, let them sweat it out a little bit. And vegetables are totally your choice. What you want to add to your chili is up to you. This is just our version. You can see all of the beautiful spices. Oh my gosh. What have we got, baby? We've got some cumin,
Gotta have the cumin. with the
cilantro lime seasoning, taco seasoning, chili powder, if you like it hot, more taco seasoning. We got some tomato sauce and the salsa verde.
Nice and soft and perfect.
Beautiful. There we
Now we're
go.
going to start adding some flavor. So we're going to do some salt and pepper.
Oh, I like your little salt dish.
Oh, is that pretty? My honey there.
Oh, did he?
Yes,
Well,
he
that
did.
man knows what you like. Oh, there
Do
you go.
like
Okay.
salt.
And the season to taste always, you know.
Yeah, pepper.
There is no rule of thumb.
No, add what you want.
Just, what was it that Paula Dean said?
You can always add, but you can't take away.
Okay.
Let's see how we are with the chili. Kind of nice.
Okay, now we're adding the heat.
Yeah, man.
And all that chili in there. There's chili, sauteed chilies, whatever you call them. Oh, that is a good flavor, honey. And those are green chilies.
Yeah, little green chilies.
Yeah.
All right, we turn down the heat.
Okay.
Now
Yes.
we're gonna introduce all the good stuff now.
Doesn't matter what order either, does it, baby?
No,
You just,
absolutely not.
just
Absolutely not. So I'm gonna put
Except for the meat
I'm gonna put
last,
the
I would
mushrooms
say.
in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put the beans last too. All this is all cooked. So we're just adding. I had some leftover mushrooms. You can put whatever you want in it.
Yeah.
So I just put some leftover fresh mushrooms.
yeah.
I have some canned ones too.
Hard to
'cause we
mess
love
up
to
chili.
add them.
The only way you could really mess up chili is if you walked away and forgot to come back and everything fried to the bottom. That would be about it.
Oh my gosh, the smell is
It's
amazing.
really good.
And all I've added was salt and pepper and
Honey.
chilies. Nothing else is gonna add.
Okay. I'm good.
I'm gonna add, now I'm gonna, mushrooms are in there. I'm gonna add the sauce now, and then we're just going to So what I had was a can of crushed tomatoes. You can use tomato sauce. You can use crushed tomatoes. If you like it thick, you can add tomato paste.
Beautiful.
So I had an extra one. I just thawed it out.
Oh, look at that. And this is her homemade sauce.
So we're just gonna add a little sprinkle. Give it a little spice. Now this is almost like for people that like a smoky flavor.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
So
You know
this is
that.
like, it's like a mixture of different spices,
Okay.
but it's more smoky.
Beautiful.
So everybody likes smoke. So just add that. Add a little bit of that to it. Add a little bit or a lot of it. Whatever you like.
What a way to start the new year, 2026, with a fresh batch of chili.
Sugar.
Mm.
Spice. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to have my tester here test the flavors in it and tell me what the outcome is.
Mmm. Oh my gosh. Do that again. Let's test it again. I was more into what you were doing rather than what I was tasting.
Okay.
I need to get my taste senses going. All right,
Okay.
ready?
Ready?
Jeez. Oh my gosh. Oh,
Okay.
Rogers.
Now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients because we don't want to overcook the beans. You don't want them
Right.
to get crushed or anything. So that's why I always add all that last.
And that's it. 3 things left. There comes the meat. Oh, I need to go get my elastic band pants on.
We're going to cover that and let that simmer for a while.
Okay, baby.
And I hope you guys enjoy. If you want the ingredients, just send us a text message.
Yeah, just make a comment below and we'll add the ingredients and stuff. But anyway, listen, just get busy. Make your own food, man. Quit going out and spending ridiculous amounts of money. All right.
Thank God I have the...
Well, the time has come to test the world's greatest chili. Well, might not be the world's greatest, but it sure is the best in this house. So enjoy it. Make it for your family. And you can just make a lot of it, put it away. Look at this. I cannot wait. Here goes the first test. Oh, we'll see you next time. We'll make you something special next time. Thank you very much for watching.